So friend, this is my online network blue scratch. In this my video, I am continue network course and what is the network and the computer history of a computer. So by using a network connection and different type of important network diagram, different type of diagram you can see available in computer. So topology, what is a topology? Created I'm already video part one topology. What is a point-to-point topology work and communication with the advantage and disadvantage of topology. Point to multi-point topology understand about. So watch previous video, very important for you understand about the topology related and all of topology one by one created and types of network, how many types of network, home area network, local area network, personal area network, campus area network, uploading network, wild area network, wireless network, virtual network, and I'm already told you and created these on topic network devices. So how many type of network devices you can see here, understand about network devices related information, watch previous video, very important for you. And network internet, you can see here network and internet related everything, what is a network, what is the internet, and network gateway, what is the network gateway, why important for network gateway system. And last previous video I am told you OSI model related information of OSI layer. And you can see here this is a one type of OSI 7 layer A model. Okay, so that is a one type of understand about OSI and how data transfer, data process in the internet and network. Okay, so how transfer and how many type of architecture changing in different time to time OSI layer model change in a network and devices. Okay, so layered architecture I will start in one by one. Okay, but today I'm just start layer architecture of OSI model. So what is a layer architecture and how many type of layer OSI model. But before start OSI layer architecture, watch my previous video OSI related information video. Other you cannot understand layer architecture about OSI networking communication. So you are connect to one to another computer cable through any device through, but main important is second part is communication. So you communication not perfectly, you cannot sharing data and receiving data. So that is a very main important of communication and how you travel your data transfer in one to another side, computer to computer, computer to switch, computer any devices and Android device any devices. Okay, so that is a possible only OSI layer model, layer architecture. Okay, so this layer architecture is a very important for understand about OSI model and OSI important of part. So layer of architecture in you can see here any you are message typing, any you are sending and receiving file folder, any type word and going to cable through wireless through another device, another computer, another your Android device. So how is this possible communication? So only one way, OSI of a model, layer of architecture protocols. Okay, so let's understand about layer of architecture OSI model. So let's start. So before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So write this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist, and you can see if you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one, time to time, I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options, and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system. You can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 the basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So layer architecture. What is a layer architecture? Listen about the recommendation X200 describes 7 layers, labeled 1 to 7. So describe 7 layer of OSI model, and number of 1 to 7. Layer 1 is the lowest layer in this model. So we are understand about OSI model architecture. Okay. So first is a first layer, physical layer. It's called name physical layer system. This is the first lower layer. Layer 2, data link layer. So what is the difference between first understand about the physical layer? Physical layer is work only for your data, your any data convert to electrical signal. That is a physical layer work. I will show you in detail. Data link layer, data link, and third is you can see network layer. Network layer after transport layer, you can see here transport layer. Fifth is session layer. 6 is presentation layer. How your data is present and how data is showing in your one type of your website inside website in browser. So that is work only presentation layer. And 7 is application layer. So 7 layer of architecture OSI model. It is a very important to understand. So any your computer, this computer to send another computer. So how to layer going to side? So up to down side means application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link layer, and last physical layer through going to another device and receive data. So how first coming? First physical, data link layer, network layer, transport, session layer, presentation, and application layer. Okay. So this is one type of cycle of data transferring. So sending time application to physical layer, and receiving time any your data, your packet to physical to application layer. Okay. So you can see one to another side computer, you can see point to point topology. Okay. And you can see centralized devices, one type of one ABs, any XYZ. So I'm just showing how to be. So you can see here this is a layer of architecture and how work. So OSI basic communication model, you can see here basic communication. Understand about basic related user. So this user, you can see here this and this is user receiver, means receive of data, and this man, this suppose this man of head of CEO, okay, and you can see this is HR manager. This give order, giving file some data. So how this data transmit to this user, and how communication model work. So your data, your data, okay, understand about your file, any file, word file, your message, application, emails, any photos, any your document, you can save, okay, you save in your computer, okay, and inside you can see here this is the one type of a very important understand user layer, okay. So you want to first understand about how to your data you created. So you want any application, just like you are create one type of Microsoft in Word data, okay, any file data, one type of you create your company related data in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. So you want to must open Microsoft software, and how to create without applications, without this is one type of very important understand about this system. So you can see here this is a man of computer, without a computer application not you create your data. So when you created one type of file and save your application systems software. So computer is very important for understand about how to transfer your data, and that time start OSI communication model. You connect one to another side, computer and cable through. But is this transmission? You are enter any file in say just like hello, okay. Enter type hello. So how going to receive file? So you want to receive file but language of binary language, and receiving this user, and you can see here. So this is any data type, just like message, folder, any your data, video, anything. That is very important for OSI layer basic communication. So without the basic communication, basic model, you cannot receiving sending file, and that is very important for understand about to one computer you connect. Either you lot of any lot of using any devices. So that is a very important for understand about a very important part of your communication. So OSI layer basic communication model, user applications layer, and communication transfer layer and transmission layer. So you can see here this is the downside and going to receiving side. That is a one type of basic layer of communication, okay. So teaching time, I am showing you are send data, you want to first create data, okay. So what is the first layer of application, okay. So I will next time showing you teach and start application layer, okay. So OSI model start next time, okay. Next video in a completely all of structure I will show you what is the application layer work and how working here. So that is a very important for understand about application layer, very 7 layer of so this is a 7 layer of application, number of 7 this application, but teaching time you learn. So that is a first of layer for application layer, okay. So next time I will continue on this topic, application layer, and it is a very important for understand about application layer, how to work and how using, and what is a layer inside these, how application layer can process and how working here. So next time I will show you. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. Any questions you comment, and I will give you 24 in answer. Okay, so thank you, have next time I will continue application related information. So thank you, have nice. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this model you can see here my this online Nettech sketch. This type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced. You can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my, you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video.